Yo, good morning. What's up, Power Plays? Power Plays, what's going on, man? It's Power Plays Palace. We back at it again, man. Trying to do the charts, man. Look at the charts. Let's take a look at the charts. All right. So, on yesterday, we were looking for longs above six. If we could claim the 660.50 and entry at 660, 60 around 661.20 in that area with a stop below 659.20 with our target 662, 663.80 and 665.50. And and if we have rejection short near 660, 660.50, then we'll look for an entry around 660, 660.70 on the stall and a stop above 661.90 with our target 658.40, 657.02 and 655.50. And that's what we were looking at. If we got the stall or if we had anything. So um, it was an interesting day. Let's take a look at the chart. All right, and you can see it's still going on right now. So Spy came in the first 5-10 minutes. It ran all the way up to 660.89. All right, so let's go back and look at the chart. We said if it started out in this area, then that's where we was gonna put our stop at, and then we was gonna work our way back down. So, all right, so it started out in that area, and it did that. It worked its way back down, man. It hit the 660.89. It pushed stopped, came all the way down the first time to around 665, and then it pushed all the way back up into the box. And you see this big green wick? That's like a last ditch effort to try to shoot up there when it ran back up to 660. And then it looked like it was finna go up there, but then it met resistance here at 659, and then it worked this way all the way back down to 654. And then after that, it came back up in the 659 range, but it came in the end of the day in this, and it went back to 655 in the day in this 655, 656 area. And then from there, you can see now overnight, last night into this morning in the pre-market, more continuation to the downside was already established a new low of 650.21. And our pre-market high 654.73. So overall, if you played the chart yesterday and you played this rejection side off this rejection here near the 660.50 area on the way back down, then you had a great day. In fact, you hit all of those first targets on the first move back down when it went to 655.50. It went around that area, so you could have been out and completely done trading at that point. And then, as you see, it went down a little bit further, but from there it was doing what it normally does. So let's look at the chart for today and see what we have. All right, so for today, and you can see earlier we just showed you spot already been pushing down most of the mornings below that blue line that's going across. That's the VWAP, so it's already below the VWAP. One of the areas I like to use for trading. One of those key areas rather. So that's where we are with that. So if SPY can get back above the 654.73, we're looking for an entry around 654.90, 655.50 with our stop below 653.40. With our targets being 657, 659, and 660 on the way up. Now on the rejection side, if it does reject short, goes up to 654 area, 654.73, and it doesn't hold up and you get that rejection, you're looking for an entry around 654, 20 to 655 with a stop above 656.20. With our targets being 652.80, 651.40, and 650. And that's based on everything that we were seeing with the market, and you can see from the pre-market that it's currently going down. So that's just something to really take a look at today, and be careful and set your levels. Um, Set your levels and be disciplined. Do your stop, set your stop losses. But as you can see the chart, the last few days it's been pretty accurate in pushing everything down and putting it in the right place. So as of right now, we're in a position that if we just do what we're supposed to do and stay disciplined, you'll continue to find some success. But that's our report for today. This is Power Plays Palace, man. We not gonna hold it up. The market's gonna be opening here in an hour or so. So let's get this thing ready and get prepared for the day. Set your level, set your stop losses, stay disciplined. This is not financial advice, remember. But if you follow those rules, you should come out fine. The other thing you do, man, if you like what you hear in the videos, you're seeing it, man, like, share, and subscribe. Follow along, and then let's get this thing moving, man. If you have a question, leave a comment. If you want to trade with us, come over to Power Plays Palace. Come over to this Power Plays Palace, the YouTube channel, but come over to Power Plays, the Discord, man, and let's have some fun, man. We trade in there every day. So have a nice day. Enjoy trading. Happy trading, everybody. This Power Plays, and we out.